Howdy, my name is Anjali and I am running for VP External. Before I get started, I want to say thank you for taking some time out of your day to listen to my presentation. So, a little bit about myself. I am currently a sophomore computer science major. I really enjoy cooking and baking in my free time. I also love to travel, and I really hope that we can all get back to that soon. Outside of my classes, I really love to dance and have also recently started to kind of explore digital art. I also really enjoy hanging out with all of the amazing SWE members. SWE has honestly been one of the best decisions I have made in my college career thus far. My freshman year, I joined SWE Leads and was on the STEMFest committee, and it really opened me up to the possibilities and impact SWE can really have. This year, I am the STEMFest officer and have hosted 1 out of 4 of the events that we have planned so far. So I want to take some time to talk about some of my goals for VP External. My number one goal is really to aid and support my officers in any way I can. I will make sure that I am responsive and available to the entire officer team. Going into more detail, I really have 3 main ideas for the VP External position. First being to promote organization. As a CS student, I have gotten exposed to different technologies and have realized how time-saving these technologies can be and really ultimately reduce your stress. So I hope to introduce some useful technologies into the officer team to give them the resources to help with organization if they would like. The first technology I would like to introduce is Asana. Asana is a task manager, and it is really this kind of agile way of thinking that is used throughout industry. My idea is that every officer can create a team and projects to plan out their event. They can help manage a committee and make it easier to follow their progress. So the officers would be able to assign tasks to their committee members and see if they're accomplished, as well as ask for certain things to be reviewed by the executives throughout this integrated system. But really, I want to give my officers a variety of options to see what works best for them. So the other technology I had in mind was Notion. For example, maybe the PR officer wants to create a mood board for the types of posts they are considering. This tool might be a little more useful to provide a more visual representation of what they would like to accomplish throughout the Instagram page. My second goal is to increase cross-communication between officers. My idea is to have bi-monthly officer group meetings where we can share helpful resources. I would like to have a running document with all of these useful resources that officers have found. In addition, it's really a chance for us to brainstorm across positions. But at the end of the day, really above all else, it's a chance to spend time together and really have this awesome support system. My final goal is to increase the discussion on mental health and have a confidence-building workshop during leadership retreat. I would like to invite speakers to discuss mental health specifically in the engineering space and share some techniques that could be useful for self-care. I would also like to run a Udemy course about confidence building. As a female engineer, it is really easy to be hard on ourselves, and my goal with both of these is to create a community and a support system. I would also like to implement an anonymous resource sharing system during the retreat. So any useful self-care books, videos, etc. could be on this document that we all have access to. As VP External, I would like to create an environment where we can support each other and really grow together. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I have listed my email as well as my Instagram below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.